Well, hey, ladies, how are you? I pray that your Thanksgiving was awesome, just like mine. I had my children. They came here from California. They actually drove from California to be here for Thanksgiving. And my oldest daughter and her daughter, my granddaughter and my daughter's fiance, they surprised me. They were not supposed to come. They kept telling me they weren't going to be able to come, and they showed up. Oh my God, that was the best surprise that I had in years. And so I pray that your Thanksgiving was as memorable and loving as mine was. And so I wanted to come on here. I wanted to share with you an opportunity that only you have, my Beautiful Locks Club Queen Circle members have, and that is to take advantage of a 4-hour 50% sale on beautiful hair products. That includes the steamer as well. And so I will have the code in the description below of what you need to type in at register so that you will be able to have that 50% off. And it's only for my White Diamond membership. So if you're not a White Diamond member and you want to upgrade to take advantage of this sale, you can. All you have to do is click on the White Diamond, become a White Diamond member, and you will be privy to that 50% sale. If you're not a member at all, you have an opportunity to become a member by clicking the link and becoming a White Diamond member, and you will be privy to the 50% sale. It's only for those members, the White Diamond members. But I just wanted to, because it is my me time, I wanted to give you an opportunity to have your me time. So if you were on the fence, thinking about getting the products, thinking about getting a steamer, this is your opportunity for 4 hours. You will see the expiration time in the description. And so I want you to prove me wrong, because normally when I put the products on sale, they don't sell really. They sell a little bit, but not as much as the regular price. Seems like people love the regular price. So I want you to prove me wrong and let me know that you want to use the products, that you want to become a fan of beautiful hair products, and get the products while you can on sale for 50% off for the next 4 hours. I can't wait to fill your order. I will be looking for your order. On your mark, get set, go.